Rashid and Miss Delaray. Yesterday, we learned about double O, and we know that double O makes two sounds, right? Ooh and So guess where I'm at right now? On a roof! And today we're going to be taking a closer look at all of those double O sounds and checking out their ending to see if we can spy any patterns. Are you ready? Let's go!
You know what I just realized? You don't need me to teach you every word there is. When it comes to reading, you are the boss. You can use what you already know about the double O sound to read lots of words, trying both sounds to check which word makes sense and sounds right.
Rashid and I were just playing with some words here that have the double O sound. And these all make the same ooh sound. Can you read these with me? Are you ready? Here we go. Moon, pool, school, food, spoon, broom, loop, room, scoop, and stool. Did you notice any patterns while we were reading the double O sound? Don't tell them, Rashid. We also made other ones with the other sound, the sound. You ready to read these? Book, hook, wood, stood, good, cook. And we're back at book again. These are some of the sounds that make the sound. All of those ending sounds, because guess what? If you know how to spell school, you can spell stool and the word drool. When Rashid and I see ice cream, we drool. We love ice cream. How about you? So while you're reading today, word builders, I want you looking for these double O sounds. I want you to just pick one of these and see how many you notice all throughout your reading today. So these are some examples. Ool, oop, oop, and ook. Have fun! I hope you get to see lots of O-O's today in your books. Ciao, ciao! Say bye, Rashid! Bye.